Sleepovers are so much fun, but imagine if you had DIYs to do with the friends? That's why us here at Ready Set Viral are here to give you 8 amazing sleepover DIYs to do with friends. Let's head into it. Number 1, movie night invitations. This is amazing if you guys want to have a movie night at your sleepover. You're first going to need 3 types of paper: striped, glitter, and regular white paper. Cut them so that each are bordering each other like so. Then, on the white paper, write Admit 1 and give it a title as well as when and where it's going to be happening. Glue them all on top of each other, and then using some scissors, cut out some circular shapes on the corners, and that's it. Number 2, party poppers. This is amazing if you guys want to have a confetti party. You're first going to need a balloon and cut off the top of it. Place it over top of an empty toilet paper roll and use some double-sided tape to secure it. Then get some decorative paper and place it over top of the roll. Finally, get multiple colors of paper and cut them into small squares and place them into the party poppers. That way you can snap the balloon and the confetti will go everywhere. Number 3, party snack table. This one is amazing to couple with our first DIY. First, get some buckets and some bins as well as a chalkboard. Write what time the movie's going to be starting at and fill all of the buckets with your favorite candies in the group. Then you can get some glass bottles and some name tags and label all of them according to your names. That way each one of your friends is going to get a cup and some candy to go with it. Number 4, ice cream bar. This one's similar to the snack bar, but it's for dessert. First, grab some cups and fill it with all of your favorite ice cream toppings. Then, grab some glass jars and place scoops of ice cream inside. Place this into a bucket with some ice. That way, when everyone's ready to eat their ice cream, they can take the jar of their choosing and build their dream sundae. Number 5, DIY LED cloud. First, blow up 3 balloons and tie them all together. Then get some LED string lights and tape them all over the balloons. Finally, get some glue and some cotton balls and place them all over the balloons. Once it's dry, you can hang it up and use it for pictures. Number 6, spa day. If you and your friends want to have a little spa day sleepover, grab all of your favorite spa materials and place them on a table. Using a chalkboard, tell everyone to pamper themselves and you guys can have a DIY spa. Number 7, DIY face masks. For this one, all you need is some Greek yogurt and some honey. Using a bowl to mix all of it together, make sure it's a pretty smooth consistency, and now you have a great face mask for all of your friends to use. Number 8, DIY nail polish chooser. For this one, if you want to end your spa day sleepover with nail painting, all you need to do is get a piece of paper and write "spin the bottle" in the middle. Then make sure to have all of these sections like we've done here. Finally, pick your favorite colors of nail polish and place them in the slots. Then get a felt triangle and put it in the middle of the paper. Spin it to figure out what color you're going to paint all of your nails. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!